So what do you think in general?
I liked it. I've seen them on like Instagram and stuff.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. You didn't buy them though, right?
No.
Why not?
I never knew if they would work or not because some of those are like scams and stuff like that.
True.
So.
Okay, just go ahead and wrap it twice. And then what we'll do is we'll see if it's a little bit loose or a little bit tight and then go from there. So twice, perfect. So you can see it's a little bit loose right now. Good. All right. So what I did is I actually trimmed off like 3 sections here for hers because she likes to wear them a little bit tighter, so we can make that one a little bit more snug for her. So how does that one feel?
It's better.
Better?
Yeah.
Does it feel like it's pulling or anything? No. It's actually really good. It's like pretty secure.
Yeah. There it is.
Yeah. So what do you think in general?
I liked it.
did it feel like pretty secure? Or?
Yeah, it felt secure. It wasn't tugging or anything, so I liked that a lot. And it was easy to remove and didn't pull any of my hair out. So.
Yeah. Well, would you recommend people with like your hair type, like straight hair, to try it out, or what do you think?
Yeah,
just in
I liked
general?
it a lot.
Like if they're watching this ad, what would you tell them? Try it or?
Yeah, no, definitely try it.
Okay, cool. All right. Well, thank you so much for trying it. You can actually keep that one.